Malkenyam. Tim ban writing notepad. By your they con 2 page. They con calling. We can say HTML linking to page to communicate. How can we link to page? They con 2 page at all. They con gajaku communicated. Can you con a cano can me a cano to a banner file banner create. Can con file or can con create banner formula and then la linking code. Tin bukulu la HTML mendian. Can ngai con to con lazen you say a href again corner more is equal to, and then you put this quad. Okay. There gome bishot file kamandana bukula wo ba kula click be twan be kula nangtin jen bladon gomen, so we can call it let's say album, okay, dot html extension. You can say it here, and should down bukula appear kemen bukula George be ladon gomen men bukula George go the she file she left men bukula click key between be kula nangten be sure to be like go. We can say that my album photos. Okay, now name kel me very important and short go sure again ba do kula ngai ke je men be click gana you can even close it. We're gonna close ke no more again formula doing linking tell them and this is the important thing again way how you can link it. The others then they could design they could releka to bukula long nice to rob unit in con learn HTML corner. She would only like italics, don't they cartoon one, don't they linking to one, they go to you can simply do this, okay? You can increase as many as you want to. Be share anything content there. Let's say don't they show let's say my list of marks. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, you can say my curse. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, on the any show the good mom did turn on the logo. Okay, Nas history. Okay, Hungarian. And anything that you want. Okay, Nas history. Okay, any go money and this way, okay, this can go down a go you can change this also because go to and this linking cook a link a different page don't mark dot html go define command down go read it like go don't da and out dot html, and we say let me remove this because stated number down there nas history, so go define command down and go read and 11.html. Just simple, you can create as many links as you want. Okay, ko be cool ngajo and linking and very important gaja me jena ka page mu ga page da na mu dai learn. Okay, now without further ado, let's do this. I will simply make this first. Let me go direct. I will remove this or attend or no one go to corner. So what I will do, I'm going to create this. I call it HTML. Goren and bija gore kashi gore ko jenda and bijulwa ko bishu ngach don't you believe about hate, and then we go to title. So here we're gonna call it we can even say it my album. Okay, then we can terminate it title, and then after this we can close hate. Okay, and I'm going to locate the don't my first HTML code defend come on and go read don't it. Okay, now you can lot go we need to put a body. Ngay corner body pin the jala the lot katanish gori letter and time la take aiding me bin ka board bishu bilanten content lady kajano ka tin la de ka wargama la very important one. So bana bin pingo bana body bana je close, then we say body bana HTML bana je close HTML. Now the next thing you're gonna do, what do we do? Bana just save. They're gonna call the save it. We can say file and save as. Okay. So now I have a flow. Sorry. What we do? You got the file names. We can even give it a name, but before we give it, let's say text all files. Again, go under desktop check and just have to call it HTML. Learn HTML. Okay. But what I will do, I will create another folder inside. Because I'm going to watch. I will say that. Okay. Let's say link it file. Okay. We said we are going to open this one. Okay. This one I will call it index.html. And all files, you can all files to be a text. So we say served. Now under there to con get file it is ready. So channel menu bukon manala in fact bukon obiko go re auto banaja ngach kelo de malode and de con learn it. Okay, now under link it file to con key index con. So banaja go index there con level often with either Firefox key Internet Explorer and good morning me did you logo. Okay, let me try Firefox. Okay. Now not now. They can enter my album photos, my Lisa mark, my course, Anout, Nas history. Titi can the Alcatisha link and tell me, do you know she could be one line? What should be the problem? So let's come here. One initially break Banajalat Guamo. Go you say BR. So we can simply copy it and put it all here and here and here. Go to corner Bamuga. So we can even put P, okay, for paragraph, and then after that we can even close P and paragraph channel itself, and we will see no problem and go on. Yeah, now you can see that check already in the list here, my albums, and then my list of marks, course and out, now this story to take and the alkali list and time to do click la janu bang go file not found, which is file not found. In mean that tele file which con link so bana file to the bana create ko ba con kula nang academy. Okay. Before we do that, channel go number con and jackamedit medin and con time under HTML we can even put let me say linking. We can even put H1 for heading, but head by jackamedit. Take out the way bump me day no more day jacko to bamdi kajabanyo content. Let it fresh. She can't enter maintain other way the din gentleman day file jackamedit kaja. First thing bana welcome shall font size, okay, is equal to, okay, we remove this one alam file done we can jackamedit again bana man go con ban latin then font. So remember this is very important, this one, okay, so very important. Go to corner left and tell me to go there con number keep it down on the file and edit kejabani. Let's say 10, okay, so gentlemen go and we refresh. Yep, shall increase. Let's try to make it maybe 20 because go to be a change and down with control sub control F refresh. Still, so what I will do, I will remove this thing called H and remove H. Let's say sub. Okay, refresh. Yeah, you can see that one. No more which no. Oh, they can increase. We can even make it 30. Or depending how you want it. Way down there, okay. Let me go back in size. Okay, font size called linking to push, and then here we can even put the break again, like I say, because good for number break. Yep, this is the one. Okay, anyway, set time share was sorry. Now bana goro bukon mudodian bana create. Let's say the album .html bana create, control N. We will be putting this thing here. Let's I say served all files, and then we put this thing album.html. Okay, so we say save. So here we can even put anything that we want. Okay, welcome to my album. Okay, we can say served. When we say refresh and we click this, so let's do another one. We are going to create another list. Come my list, so we'll be taking this thing called marks, then we copy this, and then we say control new, and then we can even put marks. So we say serve, then we say all files, and then we give it a name, marks.html. okay, let's say serve, welcome to marks page. We can say serve. From there we can go back and refresh. When you click this, okay, so you can link as many as you want. It depends kadwa dana go ready take a link linking dana go run by the control new, then we can put this thing, we say serve, when I click all files, and then .html, you can say serve, you can say welcome to an out page. Okay, you can say serve. We refresh and we go to Mac, and then so whatever you click, welcome to Mac albums, welcome to albums, and this now is history. They try to take this one, we copy this one. File, no need to copy here. Okay, Control N, and then we put this one, we say serve, much or files, and then we give it a name, and you call it .html. Then we say serve. Now we can say welcome. Simple. Cause go range auto binamo being right. Let's go to NAS history. Okay. Control. Okay. Control N, and then we say welcome to this one. Go run away or being like a as many files as you want. They killing .html. Okay. We say it served. So now we are done. Let's go back, refresh. We can click my album photos, welcome to my album, my list of marks, welcome to mark list, then my course and out, welcome to my course, and then NAS history, welcome to NAS history, and then NAS history, the same thing now. So this is how you can link to HTML and above. Ko jin go no way door being like a shungwa go to be can file the reality you create them broad me linking rune chable dal. Then from there next thing down the ladder rune, or let me show you ko down you go to data commercial menu button. Let me come here, hold on. Okay, let me open one of these. Let me simply open files. Let me go to index. Okay, under index go to index. Let do this one. Don't you go to this thing go down. I have to say it down. Input. Okay, type. I need this thing alone. Inside I will say submit. Okay, I'm not sure about it, but I will show you. You can say value is equal to. Okay, now inside it, let's say the let me simply save and see the impact. Impact the thing what will be. Let me go to this and open with Firefox. Yep. Now you can say home is here, right here. Okay, this one. Let me go back and go save it there. So what I will do, okay, that thing can be there, no problem. Let me simply remove this thing a little bit, and then what I will do, I will come here and do this. I will simply copy this one. Look, okay, I just want to show you. Don't you create a menu accept. Okay, so refresh. Yep. Now don't to the deck button tingori. Okay, button tin count digital. The reason why they con button they con go they jananga ka midodian shit corner the may value hominin they can work about us here. Okay, about us, just to show you what the button they create about us, and then this one is contact us. Okay, now you can say it here, services, you define how you want it. So services, the service that the website is offering, and that can let's say register. Okay, go define how you want it. You can even say the login. Okay, anyway, just like that. Let me remove the rest of the file. Okay, let me say save it and come here and refresh. Yep, now we have home, control plus, hold on. Okay, we have home, we have about us, we have contact us, service, register, login. We can remove one. So right now you can see that they can go after that. So na mejan dan go ready at kakon and go to be use koni mishale notepad, can notepad this one can kono ka advanced software mo kono ka advanced software ban je use ko gwada na go ko ban la ne php can mysql so ban tan wan ban ga shu go ko na ngaiba ti lo te dan go to be code linking be go be ngai ko jen dan very important right kono kida wala namo ajen call linking biate kamal buko sikel ka yabe mosh ka knowledge ko bi ngana bi ngach ngeje ne ko ken ba men ngai kon won biate kamal